Hi guys, so subukan natin iba't ibang klase ng cereal. Wow! Diba? Ako na lang kakain. Diba? Try natin to. Tingnan ako na, tsara. Ano ba ito buksan? Breakfast sa umaga.
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
Ganyan, tapos.
Open hindi. Yan yan.
Ah, galing mo. Cornflakes ba ito?
Almond.
Ha?
Almond.
Ah, almond.
Cornflakes with almond. Hindi ko na lang ang tree yan.
Tapos syempre, hindi mo mawala yung gatas natin. Paborito ko ito. Alright. First vlog. Pinatawa naman ang anak ko. Why? Alright. Yung lang.
May almond. Meron tatlong klase siya eh.
Ang tamis. Okay lang.
Yes na.
Mami!
Try lang natin ito.
Nasa bedroom!
Cornflakes. Kinuks. Sayang. Hindi na kayo. Yan, gatas ulit. Okay. Para sa matandang kagaya ko na, mas masarap yung cornflakes. Ito, ang tawag dito.
Star.
Star. Ito star naman. Cornflakes, star,
Saja.
tapos almond. Ayun na, ano ba yun?
Tapos,
Let's try this.
Ito Milo.
May mando ba? Wait lang. Hindi na kain eh, sayang. Yung mahilig ako sa cereal at saka gatas. Ayun ang anak ko. So try natin. Right. Yung star. Naku. Okay lang. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung ano. Para sa akin mas masarap pa rin yung cornflakes. Ano pa meron yun? Ha?
May expired na ito eh.
Grab your consume before it's too late.
Pero may expired na ito eh.
Ito may expire na. Kasi Milo. Yung Milo muna.
7/2025.
Ano ba yun?
Daddy!
Expired na.
Na-internet
Coco
na
Pops.
ako.
Wala kasi ito may expire. So kainin na rin tayo.
There's that one noob again. Yo, noob, you absolutely suck. Stop picking on me. I've never done anything to you. Whatever, man. Goodbye.
Eh, kailan nag-umpisa
By
ko?
the way, you said you wanted the coconut. I'm sorry, you don't have
Wala mo lang sounds ka.
Can I at least get like a watermelon or something? I'm sorry. Just right now, literally gonna have to be done. I can afford like 5
Excuse me. Okay, dito vlog.
Alright, sure. I'm not like that. Oh my god. It's not getting me. You got me here. Hold on. You don't even actually say it. Why? Shut up. Shut those carrots from me.
Ano ba meron dito? Milo. Buwan natin. Medyo wala kasi yung kulay eh. So medyo ilan natin sa mga kasama natin. Okay. Ito Milo. So try natin. Tutulungan naman asawa ko. Ayan. Alright. Ito na yung natin yung galas para yung lumambot. Ito so. Milo. Kaya na ba tawag dito? Milo. Ayan. Alright. Okay. Masarap din siya. Feeling ko lang. Medyo nahanginan. Kaya medyo matigas na.
I've had enough of this.
Bibi. Bibi.
Finally, my time has come.
Nakasuporta mo naman ako. First vlog ko.
Bibi na.
That was the best meal of my life.
Again, first vlog ko. Food vlog. Try ko pasukin yung food vlog
I'm
niya.
sick of this treatment. Rewind to when I was
Ayan.
young.
You're such a sweet baby. My little brother is so cute. And because you're the youngest, you're now my favorite.
Finally, my time has come. Subscribe for me to stay the youngest.
Ain't it a time? Hey, so young.
Dad, I need $20. I just gave you 50 yesterday. Okay,
Really?
but I need 20 more. If you need it, go get a job.
Yeah.
I will. But my It's not $20. Fine. What's it for? My woman girlfriend needs a new skin. Wait, what? She's already tired of the 3 skins I bought her yesterday. You're sipping with my money? I thought you were using it to buy lunch at school or something. Nah, Rachel needs it more than me. Rachel, do you know this girl in real life? She's
Wait
my
lang,
roommate
salamat.
girlfriend. So